Technology has been the defining force shaping human civilization. From the simplest tools to complex machines, our ability to invent has driven progress and prosperity. Yet this same ingenuity has also brought about challenges. Every technological leap, while offering new possibilities, has introduced unintended consequences, disrupting existing social structures and demanding adaptation. Today, as we stand at the cusp of a new technological era, it's crucial to reflect on this duality. We must examine not only how far we've come, but also where we're headed. Are we masters of our own creations, or are we becoming increasingly subservient to them? This essay explores this critical question by tracing technology's trajectory from its empowering beginnings to its potentially controlling present. Our goal is to understand how we can harness its power while safeguarding our autonomy and forging a future where technology serves humanity, not the other way around. The earliest humans were limited by their physical capabilities. Survival was a daily struggle, demanding constant vigilance and effort. The discovery of fire and the invention of basic tools marked a turning point. These innovations, rudimentary by today's standards, were profound for early humans, extending their reach and amplifying their strength. The wheel stands out as a pivotal invention in this early era. No longer confined to carrying heavy loads, humans could transport goods over distances. This sparked a revolution in agriculture, trade and exploration, fundamentally altering the course of human history. These early tools, while simple, embodied a crucial concept. They served human needs and ambitions. They were extensions of our will, empowering us to shape our environment and improve our lives. The Industrial Revolution marked a significant shift in our relationship with technology. Machines powered by steam and later electricity took over tasks previously performed by humans. This led to unprecedented gains in productivity and efficiency, transforming societies and economies. Factories sprang up, mass production became the norm, and the world witnessed a surge in material wealth. However, this progress came at a cost. The same machines that brought prosperity also displaced workers, creating unemployment and social unrest. The mechanization of labor, while increasing efficiency, often reduced skilled artisans to mere cogs in a vast industrial machine. This era highlighted the inherent tension between technological advancement and its impact on human lives. It underscored the need to manage technological transitions thoughtfully, ensuring that progress benefits all members of society. The latter half of the 20th century witnessed the explosive growth of digital technologies. Computers, initially massive and expensive, shrank in size and became increasingly affordable, entering homes and workplaces worldwide. The Internet, once a niche network for academics and researchers, morphed into a global phenomenon, connecting billions and democratizing access to information. This digital revolution ushered in an era of unprecedented access to knowledge and connectivity. Never before had so much information been so readily available, yet this deluge of data brought with it new challenges. The ability to access information does not equate to understanding or wisdom. The sheer volume of content online can be overwhelming, making it difficult to discern fact from fiction, signal from noise. Section 5, the algorithmic gaze shaping perception and choice. Today, powerful algorithms drive many online platforms. These sophisticated programs analyze our digital footprints, tracking our browsing habits, purchases, and social interactions. While often presented as neutral tools, these algorithms exert a subtle but powerful influence on our online experiences. They curate what we see, prioritizing content deemed most likely to engage us, often based on our past behavior. This personalized filtering, while seemingly convenient, can trap us in echo chambers of our own making. By limiting our exposure to diverse perspectives and information that challenges our existing beliefs, algorithms can reinforce biases and limit intellectual growth. Furthermore, the data collected about us is often used for targeted advertising, subtly nudging our purchasing decisions and influencing our behaviors. This raises concerns about manipulation and the erosion of free will in the digital age. Section 6, the walls of our own making, echo chambers and polarization. The internet, once hailed as a tool for fostering global understanding, is increasingly blamed for exacerbating societal divisions. Social media platforms, with their emphasis on personalized feeds and algorithms designed to maximize engagement, often create echo chambers where users primarily encounter information that confirms their existing beliefs. This can lead to political polarization, as individuals are less likely to engage with opposing viewpoints and more likely to dismiss them as misinformed or malicious. Furthermore, the spread of misinformation and disinformation online poses a significant threat to informed discourse. Fabricated stories, often designed to be inflammatory and emotionally charged, can spread rapidly through social networks, shaping public opinion and influencing real-world events. This erosion of trust in traditional sources of information and the rise of filter bubbles pose significant challenges to democratic societies that rely on an informed citizenry. Section 7. Reclaiming agency, cultivating critical thinking in a digital age. As technology becomes increasingly intertwined with our lives, it is crucial to develop the critical thinking skills necessary to navigate this complex landscape. We must move beyond passive consumption and become active, discerning users of information. This involves questioning the information we encounter online, considering its source, and seeking out diverse perspectives. Educational institutions have a vital role to play in fostering these skills. Curriculum should incorporate media literacy, teaching students how to evaluate online information, identify bias, and recognize misinformation. Furthermore, individuals must cultivate a healthy skepticism towards the information presented to them online, being mindful of the potential for manipulation and the limitations of algorithmic curation. Section 8. Finding balance towards a human-centered technological future. Technology is not inherently good or bad. It is a tool, and like any tool, its impact depends on how it is used. As we venture further into the digital age, we must prioritize a human-centered approach to technological development, one that prioritizes human well-being, autonomy, and agency. This requires thoughtful regulation, ethical design, and ongoing dialogue about the role of technology in society. We must strive to create technologies that empower individuals, foster connection, and promote understanding. This involves designing platforms that prioritize transparency, encourage critical thinking, and promote diverse perspectives. It also requires fostering digital literacy and empowering individuals with the tools and knowledge to navigate the digital world safely and responsibly. Ultimately, the future of technology depends on our ability to shape it in a way that aligns with our values and aspirations, ensuring that it remains a tool for human flourishing, not a force that diminishes our humanity.